y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new, then welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I got these subtle caramel brown highlights on this wig. Okay y'all, so you're going to need some developer. I'm using a 30 volume developer in this BW2 bleach. I got some gloves, and then I just poured the bleach in there and poured my developer in, y'all. I don't do measurements at all, as y'all can see. I'm going to show y'all the consistency I got, but you know, you can really use any consistency. Just make sure that, you know, it's creamy enough to spread throughout the hair. And that's pretty much it. Okay, y'all, so throughout the video, I'm just going to be doing random sections. So you can just do this however you want to. I'm literally just going in freestyling it. And also, if you want brighter highlights, just use a higher number developer, like 40 or 50. I ain't never used 50, so I don't know. But you can use 40 volume if you want them to be brighter. And I'm also using the little strips of aluminum foil because it helps the hair process faster and, you know, keep the heat in. So that's what that's for. Alright y'all, so I really don't have much to say. I'm just going to be sectioning the hair and throwing the bleach on it. I am going to be using a comb as well to make sure that it's really getting through. So using a rat tail comb will help with the precision, and that's about it. Okay y'all, so I did the same thing to the other side. I just randomly put bleach all over the wig, and yeah, I'm just showing y'all what it looked like. I think I had about 8 pieces that I had put bleach on, but now I'm about to get ready to bleach the knots on the closure, and I'm doing this last because, you know, it's not going to take you as long as the hair. Also y'all, for bleaching your knots, you want the mixture to be thicker because you don't want it to bleed through and bleach the hair. You just want to bleach the knots. Okay, y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like once I took the foil off and stuff, and I'm about to get ready to wash it. And I'm just using the Shimmer Lights Purple shampoo, and then I'm going to condition it with some Aussie Moist. Nothing special, just washing deep condition the wig. Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig ended up looking like. If y'all like it, give the video a thumbs up, comment something down below. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I post new videos. And also make sure y'all check out my business page for my wigs and stuff. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.